Welcome to China Connect. We're your laugh-out-loud passport to China's best. Explore and let's discover China now, with a giggle. Today, we're diving into an epic topic that's going to blow your mind, Meituan's fourth-generation drone. This cutting-edge piece of tech is revolutionizing low-altitude logistics delivery with a maximum distance of 10 kilometers. Can you imagine having your food or packages delivered straight from the sky? Well, sit back and relax, because we're about to embark on an in-depth exploration of this futuristic innovation. Let's start by exploring the backstory of this phenomenal drone. Meituan UAV, a leading Chinese tech company, dedicated over 2 years to the development of their latest generation of drones. Their primary goal was to create a drone specifically designed for urban low-altitude logistics delivery to change how we receive our goods in the modern world. The result? A game-changing drone that's transforming the landscape of urban logistics as we know it. This small multi-rotor drone is an absolute powerhouse, boasting a maximum payload of 2.5 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 9.5 kilograms. The drone's capabilities are nothing short of impressive, as it can cover a maximum delivery radius of 5 kilometers when fully loaded and a maximum delivery distance of 10 kilometers. But the drone's technical prowess doesn't end there. It also has some serious environmental adaptability, whether it's rain, snow, level 6 wind, or even flying at night. This drone can handle it all. It's designed to operate in temperatures ranging between -20 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for over 97% of domestic cities in China. The fourth-generation drone is on a mission to provide users with more efficient and convenient delivery services, ultimately transforming the way we think about urban logistics. Over the past few years, consumer behavior has shifted dramatically, with more people turning to online shopping than ever before. This has led to an increasing demand for faster delivery times. And Meituan is stepping up to the plate. Their solution? Build a three-dimensional urban delivery network that integrates both air and ground transportation, elevating the consumer experience to new heights. Not only has Meituan established 15 drone routes in bustling cities like Shenzhen and Shanghai, but they've also managed to complete nearly 170,000 orders and deliver close to 20,000 different types of goods. The 15-minute delivery service provided by these drones is becoming more and more popular, and it's no wonder why. With the world's appetite for speed and efficiency growing, Meituan's drone network is perfectly positioned to meet the needs of urban consumers, of course. Safety is a top priority for Meituan's fourth-generation drone. The company has made significant improvements in the areas of economy, environmental adaptability, and operation and maintenance friendliness, but they've also taken major steps to ensure the safety of their drones. The drone is equipped with advanced features such as binocular stereoscopic cameras and 4D millimeter wave radar, which are essential for detecting and avoiding obstacles. To further enhance safety, the drone has been designed with redundancy in mind, providing backup systems for critical components like power, battery, flight control, sensors, and positioning. This results in a 3-level security system consisting of redundant backup operation, safe landing, and opening parachute. Additionally, the drone's safety control system includes multiple layers of defense, such as personnel authority, hardware, flight signal, and electronic fencing. Hu Meng, head of Meituan Drone Hardware, highlighted the numerous upgrades made to the fourth-generation drone compared to its predecessor. The drone's service life has doubled, and it can now operate safely in more extreme weather conditions. The delivery distance has increased by 35%, reaching a maximum of 5 kilometers. Furthermore, the drone's folding 3-blade silent propellers reduce flight noise by a whopping 50%, making for a quieter and more enjoyable delivery experience. Meituan's vision for the future of urban logistics involves creating an all-encompassing, urban low-altitude logistics solution designed to support the growth of the low-altitude economy. To achieve this, they are heavily investing in cutting-edge aviation technology and intelligent robotics. By working closely with industry partners and focusing on frontier areas, Meituan is paving the way for a new era of retail and delivery services. Their comprehensive drone solution includes unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, intelligent scheduling systems, and high-efficiency operating systems, capable of delivering retail goods within a 3-kilometer radius in just 15 minutes. To top it all off, Meituan has received approval from the Civil Aviation Administration of China, granting them the necessary licenses to begin commercial operations. In conclusion, Meituan's fourth-generation drone is a game-changer in the world of low-altitude logistics delivery. As we move towards a future with even greater technological advancements, we can look forward to seeing these drones flying overhead, delivering our packages with speed, efficiency, and safety. But wait, there's more. As if this drone technology wasn't fascinating enough, let's explore some potential future applications for these flying wonders. Imagine a world where drones are employed in various fields, from agriculture to healthcare, and even disaster relief. The possibilities are truly endless. In agriculture, drones could be utilized for crop monitoring and spraying, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing overall efficiency. Farmers could remotely assess crop conditions, detect diseases, and monitor irrigation systems, all from the comfort of their homes. In healthcare, drones could be used to deliver crucial medical supplies to remote locations or during emergencies, such as natural disasters or pandemics. This could significantly improve healthcare access for people living in rural areas or those affected by crises, ensuring timely medical care and potentially saving countless lives. Speaking of disaster relief, drones could play a crucial role in search and rescue missions following natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, or hurricanes. Equipped with thermal imaging cameras, drones could help locate survivors and assess damage to infrastructure, allowing response teams to act more quickly and efficiently. In the retail industry, drones could be employed for inventory management and warehousing tasks, automating processes and reducing human error. By streamlining these operations, businesses could save time and resources, ultimately making our shopping experiences even smoother. And what about environmental conservation? Drones could be used to monitor wildlife populations, track poaching activities, and assess habitat destruction. This technological advancement could empower conservationists to protect endangered species and preserve ecosystems more effectively. As you can see, the potential applications for drones like Meituan's fourth-generation drone are vast and varied. Their versatility and adaptability make them a valuable asset in numerous fields, and we can only imagine how these incredible machines will continue to evolve and shape our world in the coming years. Thanks for exploring China with us. Hit like, comment, and share for laughs. Subscribe and drop your thoughts below. Let's keep showcasing this amazing nation. See you in the next funny video.